Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Then again 6 divided by 6 is equal to also 1. Now 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, P-E-M DAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is one division, also here is division, and here is division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1, then divide by 6, then divide by 6. Okay, now 1 divided by 6 can be written as 1 upon 6 divided by 6. Okay, now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 1 upon 6 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this fraction. 6 is equal to 1 upon 6. So is equal to 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. Then 6 multiply 6 is equal to 36. Okay. So 1 upon 36 is the correct answer. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.